Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Shikha Garg. Let's discuss about diabetes today. So the most common symptom of diabetes, or which you commonly call sugar, is polydipsia, which means बहुत ज़्यादा प्यास लगना. Polyuria means repeatedly urine करने जाना, too much of urination. Polyphagia means excess में भूख लगना, you are eating too much. So these three are usually the common symptoms. Apart from these, there could be weakness or tiredness, pain in the leg. These are the common symptoms of the diabetes. So I receive patients in OPD which are having HbA1c, which HbA1c is a average 3 month sugar levels of your body. So when that is more than 6.5, patient is called diabetic. So I usually receive patients who are unaware of the symptoms. They are not able to decipher their symptoms. So patient might say कि सुबह उठ के I'm feeling a lot more volume of urine is passed, which is not normal. Like usually अगर आप certain amount है तो it's more than that. Yeah, you're drinking lot of water, which is more than normal. You used to take few months back, right? Or you are eating too much and still you are losing weight. So these all could be the symptom of diabetes. So just get tested, get your fasting blood sugar done, get your postprandial. Postprandial means 2 hours after you have taken your first bite of food. Get tested for postprandial sugar, or you can get for your random blood sugar test done. Also important is the 3 month average sugar, which is called HbA1c. I have another video on that, do see that. So just get that tested and you will know the actual status of your diabetes or your blood sugar levels. And according to that, you will know are you in the pre-diabetic state or in you are diabetic, and according to that treatment options would be there. HbA1c can be used for prognosis and diagnosis. Diagnosis means to know you are diabetic or not, and when you are taking a treatment, how that treatment is working for you, that's called prognosis. So patients usually come with the HbA1c of 9, 10, 11, and they are unaware of the symptoms. How do you think these symptoms could go unaware? Basically you're not able to decipher. आपको आप बार बार यूरिनेशन जा रहे हो, आप बहुत पानी पी रहे हो, आप eating too much. These all can be symptoms. Just get tested for that. And apart from this, the basic common symptom or you can say sign would be wherever you are urinating, there could be ants and insects around that. Why is that happening? Because blood sugar level more than 180 is getting excreted in the urine, and insects are getting attracted to that sugar levels. So that's a simple way when there's excess sugar.